Good morning, all of you, beta. Hope you all are fine. I hope you are clear with the interrogative sentences of narration. Let's move on to further type of narration, that is imperative sentences. Rule number one: reporting verb is changed into tell, order, command, forbid. Forbid का मतलब होता है मना करना. Request, advise, ask according to the sense of the speech. Reporting speech and reported speech are joined by infinitive to. आपको बेटे जैसे कंजंक्शन हम दैट लगाते थे उसकी जगह कॉमाज रिमूव करके अब टू को यूज़ करना है एंड नॉट टू इंस्टेड ऑफ डू नॉट. और अगर आपको डू नॉट आया हो तो आप डू नॉट की जगह क्या लिखोगे? नॉट टू. ये नहीं टू नॉट नहीं होता कभी भी बच्चे. नाउ डायरेक्ट स्पीच: यू सेड टू मी ब्रिंग योर बुक टू मी. यू टोल्ड मी. ठीक है, यहाँ पे यू आस्ट यू टोल्ड मी ठीक रहेगा बच्चे. या अगर किसी ने ऑर्डर दिया हो तो आप ऑर्डर्ड भी कर सकते हैं. सपोज योर टीचर ने कहा था टीचर ऑर्डर्ड मी, तो टीचर ऑर्डर देगी ना आपको. सो यहाँ पे लेकिन आप सेड यू सेड टू मी सिंपल कहा जा रहा है. सो यू टोल्ड मी, आप कॉमर्स रिमूव करके क्या लगाएंगे बच्चे हम? टू ब्रिंग माई बुक टू यू. दैट इज़ यू कौन है? अब जिसने कहा है द स्पीकर. ओके. सेकेंड सेंटेंस: द कैप्टन सेड टू द सोल्जर्स मार्च ऑन. कैप्टन क्या करता है? कमांड देता है बच्चे. नाउ यू नीड टू नो दीज थिंग्स कि यहाँ कहाँ पे ऑर्डर आएगा, कमांड आएगा, फॉरबिड आएगा, रिक्वेस्ट आएगा. ठीक है, ये आपको देखना पड़ेगा, इनके मीनिंग्स आपको पता होने चाहिए और उसी अकॉर्डिंग आपकी एप्लीकेशन होगी यहाँ पे. अब द कैप्टन कमांडेड द सोल्जर्स टू मार्च ऑन, तो हमने क्या किया? कॉमर्स रिमूव करके टू कर दिया बच्चे. नाउ फादर सेड टू मी डू नॉट क्वार्रल विद एनीवन. हाँ, मैंने कहा कि आपको डू नॉट नहीं करेंगे, नॉट टू करेंगे यहाँ पे डू नॉट की जगह. फादर सेड टू मी, फादर एडवाइज्ड मी नॉट टू क्वार्रल विद एनीवन. क्वार्रल का मीनिंग होता है झगड़ा करना. ओके. नेक्स्ट वन: ही सेड टू मी प्लीज़ लेंड हिम सम बुक. प्लीज़ हम किसके लिए यूज़ करते हैं? रिक्वेस्ट के लिए, है ना. सो ही रिक्वेस्टेड मी टू लेंड हिम सम मनी. Okay, now next one: he said to me kindly grant me stipend from the poor fund. That is, अब kindly भी हम किस लिए यूज़ करते हैं? रिक्वेस्ट के लिए. he requested me to grant me stipend from the poor fund. Now next one: I said to him excuse me sir. I begged him with respect to excuse me. ओके. आई बेग्ड हिम विद रिस्पेक्ट, क्योंकि आप एक्सक्यूज़ मी कर रहे हैं ना, तो किसी को हम रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं. लेकिन आई बेग्ड हिम विद रिक्वेस्ट क्यों यूज़ किया? ये फर्दर है मोर काइंडनेस के लिए, मोर पोलाइटनेस के लिए यूज़ करा है बच्चे हमने एक्सप्रेशन. ओके. आई रिक्वेस्टेड हिम टू एक्सक्यूज़ मी, हम इसको भी रॉन्ग नहीं कह सकते, बट दिस वन इज़ बेटर बच्चे. Now let's have some examples of it. That Tutul said to Hassan, try to get a new job. Tutul told Hassan to try to get a job. बेटा देखो आपने टू लगा दिया और टू के साथ हमेशा हम फर्स्ट फॉर्म यूज़ करते हैं. नेक्स्ट वन: ही सेड करीम गो देयर. ही टोल्ड करीम टू गो देयर. अगर यहाँ कम होता तो हम गो में चेंज करते, गो का गो ही रहता है बेटा. द कैप्टन सेड टू द सोल्जर्स मार्च फॉरवर्ड. मैंने आपको बताया कैप्टन क्या करता है? कमांड. द कैप्टन कमांडेड द सोल्जर्स टू मार्च फॉरवर्ड. यस बेटे. नेक्स्ट वन: द ओल्ड मैन सेड टू हिज सर्वेंट डू एज आई टेल यू. द ओल्ड मैन टोल्ड हिज सर्वेंट टू डू एज ही टोल्ड हिम. ओके. यहाँ पे द ओल्ड मैन ऑर्डर द सर्वेंट भी आ सकता है बेटा, क्योंकि आप सर्वेंट्स को भी ऑर्डर करके बोल सकते हैं. द टीचर सेड बॉयज़ डू एज आई टेल यू टू डू. द टीचर ऑर्डर्ड द बॉयज़ टू डू एज ही टोल्ड देम. Yes, beta, let's have more examples. He said to me, come here. He ordered me to go there. Here is changed into there and come is changed into go. The boy said to his teacher, excuse me, sir. The boy requested his teacher respectfully to excuse him. I hope you are clear with this. Mother said to me, always speak the truth. Mother advised me. जब आपको कोई सलाह देता है, सजेशन देता है, तो आप एडवाइस, जब आपको मम्मा आपको कुछ कहती है ना अच्छे के लिए आपके, दैट इज़ वॉट एडवाइज्ड. मदर एडवाइज्ड मी टू स्पीक द ट्रुथ ऑलवेज. टू ऑलवेज स्पीक द ट्रुथ भी गलत नहीं होगा बच्चे. द टीचर सेड टू द बॉयज़ डू नॉट मेक अ नॉइज़. द टीचर ऑर्डर्ड द बॉयज़ नॉट टू मेक अ नॉइज़. डू नॉट इज चेंज इन टू नॉट टू. Our teacher said to us, do not tell a lie. This one we have done. No. Our teacher advised us not to tell a lie. The mother said to her son, "Do not run in the sun." The mother advised her son not to run in the sun. Next one, the mother said to her son, "Don't go outside after dusk." The mother advised her son not to go outside after dusk. Now, let's have more examples. The doctor said to the patient, "Do not take tea or coffee after for some days." The doctor advised the patient not to take tea or coffee for some days. Next one, the doctor said to the patient, "Do not eat too much." The doctor advised the patient not to eat too much. Karim said to Samira, "Do not disturb me now." Karim asked Samira not to disturb him then. Okay, next one. "Do not play football when it rains." Mumtaz said to her son. Mumtaz advised her son not to play football when it rains. Okay. The teacher said, "Do not make a noise." The teacher ordered not to make a noise. Kabir said to Salam, "Please listen to me while I recite a poem." Kabir, इधर please word आ गया. Kabir requested Salam to listen to him while he recited a poem. He said to his master, "Please grant me a leave." He begged his master to grant him a leave. जहाँ पे बेटा प्लीज़ आ गया आपने रिक्वेस्ट वर्ड यूज़ करना ही करना है, रिक्वेस्टेड. काइंड लीव के लिए भी आप रिक्वेस्टेड यूज़ करेंगे. Now, transform the following into indirect speech. Rahim said to his mother, "Please excuse me this time." Rahim begged his mother to excuse him. This is changed into that time. He said to me, "Please explain the point." He requested me to explain the point. Okay, the is remains the only. He said to the man, "Please have a cup of tea." He requested the man to have a cup of tea. This is the easiest of all. I said to him, "Please explain the passage." I requested him to explain the passage. He said to me, "Please give me a glass of water." He requested me to give him a glass of water. "Please help me in my distress," he said. He requested the person in presence to help him in his distress. देखो he said किसको कह रहा है वो? The person in presence, that means जिससे बात की जा रही है उसके लिए यूज़ किया गया है. Now, rule number 2. If there is "let me," "let him," "let her" in the direct speech, the reporting verb is changed into request, order, or "let" is changed into might be allowed to. Let's have some examples over here. He said to me, "Let me go there." He requested me भी आ सकता है बेटा, proposed भी आ सकता है यहाँ पे. Okay, he requested me that he might go there. I said to my mother, "Let me have some milk." I requested my mother that I might be allowed to have some milk. आपको बेटा ये याद रखना है कि let me, let him, let her आ जाए तो आपको might का यूज़ करना है या फिर might be allowed to का. This is very important. Now, rule number 3. If there is "let us" in the direct speech, अगर डायरेक्ट स्पीच में "let us" है, the reporting verb is changed into propose or suggested, and should is used for let. और क्या हो जाएगा आपकी जगह प्रपोज सजेस्ट होएगा और शुड यूज़ करेंगे हम. ही सेड टू अस, "लेट अस प्ले टुडे." लेट अस आ गया बेटा, वहाँ प्रपोज करना है आपने. ही प्रपोज टू अस दैट वी शुड प्ले दैट डे. So today is changed into that day. Now they said to us, "Let us decide the matter ourselves." They proposed to us that we should decide the matter ourselves. बेटा देखो अब should आ गया, जहाँ पे भी should आ रहा है उसमें तो हमने verb कौन सी लगाई है? First form. That means with should we are going to use first form. Now rule number 4. If there is "let us" in the direct speech and the listener is first person, me, us, or omitted, and the reporting verb is changed into propose or suggest, and "we should" is used for "let," otherwise "they should" is used for "let." Let's have some examples. He said to me, "Let us settle the matter." He proposed to me that we should settle the matter. It's the simplest of all. He said to his colleague, let us call a meeting. He proposed to his colleague that they should call. क्योंकि बेटा आपको पर्सन के अकॉर्डिंग चेंज करना है. मी आ गया तो आपने आई कर देना है, अस आ गया तो वी कर देना है, और अगर कलीग्स की बात प्लूरल में आ रही है तो दे कर देंगे. दैट दे शुड कॉल अ मीटिंग. Now rule number 5, if there are vocatives addressing him them as friend, friends is added. Come in my friend, said I to Rafiq. Addressing Rafiq as friend, I requested him to come in. Okay. I said to them, friends work together. Addressing them as friends, I told them to work together. This is the rarest of all that comes in additions, but never mind, you should know it. If the reporting verb is without object, जैसे आपको कह दिया go there, come in, like this. An object is used as third person or first person. या तो वो third person में use करते हैं या first person में. He said come in. He told me to go in. या he told someone to go in. Come is changed into go. Okay. Please have a cup of tea. The speaker requested the person to have a cup of tea because the person is not known to us. That's why we are imagining someone over here. Now he said to his master, let me try first. He requested his master that he might try first. क्योंकि यहाँ पे बेटा me आ गया. That's why we are using the word might over here. That he might try first. The beggar said, let me beg. The beggar said that he might beg. The prisoner said, let me have a glass of water. The prisoner said that he might be allowed to have a glass of water. I said to father, let me buy an umbrella. I said to father that I might be allowed to buy an umbrella. Working depending on the structure of the sentence, you are going to use might or might be allowed to. He said, let the dog bark. He said the dog might be allowed to bark. The boy said, let me write what I know. The boy said that he might be allowed to write what he knew. Now, he said, let me do whatever he likes. He said that he might do whatever he liked. Okay, he said that he might do whatever he liked. He said to me, let me have a cup of tea. He said to me that he might be allowed to have a cup of tea. Let me come in, said he. He said that he might be allowed to go in. Come is changed into go, beta. He said to me, let us go out for a walk. He proposed to me that we should go out for a walk. अब देखो बेटा अस आ गया तो हमने क्या कर दिया, प्रपोज वर्ड यूज कर लिया. He said to me, let us go to school. He proposed to me that we should go to school. He said to me, let us drop the matter. He proposed to me that we should drop the matter. Now, Kareem said, let us discuss the matter. बेटा अस आ गया तो propose आ जाएगा यहाँ पे. Kareem proposed that we should discuss the matter because we are not asking for permission from anyone over here. Now, he said, let us have some music. He proposed that we should have some music. It's a general one. He said, let us decide it. He proposed that we should decide it. Now, next one. They said, let us make a fun. They proposed that we should make a fun. Meena said to Reena, let us go out for a walk. Meena proposed to Reena that they should go out for a walk. The manager said to the officers, let us solve the problem. The manager proposed to the officers that they should solve the problem. Now, mother said to her children, let us arrange a picnic in the next week. Mother proposed to her children that they should arrange a picnic in the following week. In the next week, okay. Munir said to Mujib, let us go out for a walk by the riverside. Munir proposed to Mujib that they should go out for a walk by the riverside. Now, next one. The leader said to the people, "Friends, please listen to me." Addressing the people as friends, the leader requested them to listen to him. Okay. He said, "Friends, let me your ears." Addressing them as friends, he requested them to lend him their ears. The teacher said to them, "Dear students, behave with politely." Addressing them as their dear students, the teacher advised them to behave with politely. Next one, beta. The general said to them, "Brave soldiers, be careful." Addressing them as brave soldiers, the general commanded them to be careful. "Stop, you villain, shouted he. He shouted the villain to stop. "Karim, open the door," said he. He addressed Karim and told him to open the door. Or you can say he told Karim to open the door. I hope you are clear with this. Beta, write the rules of imperative sentences in your fair notebook with some of the examples and try in your practice book of other worksheets. After completing narrations, after being thorough through the rules, we are going to do narrations in practice book, beta. So please try them out at your home. Take care of yourself. Goodbye and have a nice day.